Good morning, students. Today we will see about a small topic that is safe motherhood. Improving the well-being of the mothers, infants and children is the important public health goal for any country. Their well-being determines the health of the next generation and can help predict future public health challenges for families, communities and the healthcare system. The objectives of maternal, infant and child health topic areas address a wide range of conditions, health behaviors and health system indicators that affect the health, wellness and quality of life of women, children and families. Every minute, there are 380 women become pregnant, 190 women face unplanned or unwanted pregnancy, 110 women experience the pregnancy-related complications, 40 women have an unsafe abortion, 5 babies born dead, 5 newborn die, 1 woman dies. And pregnancy and childbirth is a global situation. 50 million induced abortions, 20 million unsafe abortion, 20 million women suffer from maternal morbidity. 6,000 die from complications. 3 million newborns die within the first week of life. 3 million babies are born dead. Safe motherhood means ensuring that all women receive the care that they need to be safe and healthy through the pregnancy and childbirth. Safe motherhood embodies the philosophy that no woman should die due to pregnancy or childbirth related causes. Safe motherhood emphasizes a series of initiative, practice, protocols and service delivery guidelines designed to ensure that women receive high quality gynecological, family planning, prenatal delivery and postpartum care in order to achieve optimal health for the mother, fetus and infant during pregnancy, childbirth and postpartum. Safe Motherhood Initiative, the first International Safe Motherhood Conference in Nairobi, jointly sponsored by WHO, UNFPA and World Bank in February 1987. Action to reduce maternal mortality and morbidity by one half by the year 2000. Interagency Group for Safe Motherhood, pillars of strategic intervention areas. At the request of WRRAI, White Ribbon Alliance, an alliance of 1,800 organizations in 2003, the Government of India declared as National Safe Motherhood Day. India is the first country in the world to have officially declared a National Safe Motherhood Day. Components of safe motherhood include family planning, which prevents teenage pregnancy, birth spacing method, antenatal care, antenatal checkup, detection of high-risk factors, behavior change, communication, that means immunization, iron and folic acid supplement, birth preparedness and complication readiness. Obstetric care include provision of SBS, provision of emergency obstetric care kit, management of complications during delivery, postnatal care, postnatal visit, identification of complication, breastfeeding and immunization. Postnatal service for the newborn care include cord care, prevention, management of hypothermia. Emergency obstetric care and birthing center are the basic emergency obstetric care, vaginal delivery complication, administration of drugs, comprehensive emergency obstetric care, includes cesarean section, anesthesia and blood transfusion. Safe abortion service, access to legal and safe abortion service, CAC, that is comprehensive abortion care. Safe abortion service include service delivery, training of manpower and monitoring. HIV and other STD control, prevention of mother to child transmission, that is PM, it was MTCT, it was changed to prevention of PMCT. What is maternal mortality? That we have already discussed. The death of a woman while pregnant or within 42 days of termination of pregnancy, irrespective of the duration and the site of pregnancy, from any cause related to the or aggravated by the pregnancy or its management. However, the term does not encompass the death due to accident or incidental causes. What are the consequences of maternal death? Children who lose their mothers suffer the most. Studies point out that children who have lost their mothers are 10 times more likely to die within the first 2 years than those who both parents are alive. Motherless children are less likely to receive healthcare and education as they grow up. Girls in particular suffer because they are forced to drop out of school to look after their younger siblings. How can maternal mortality can be reduced? Empower women by creative awareness, address gender inequalities and discrimination that limit women's choice and contribute directly to their ill health and death. Realize that every pregnancy faces a risk. Every pregnant woman, even if she well nourished and well educated, can develop sudden life-threatening complications that require obstetric care. Maternal health programs must aim to ensure that all women have access to essential services. Ensure adequate and appropriate antenatal, postnatal, and newborn care. After delivery, women are most vulnerable to dying from complications. Enhance health and nutrition interventions. Safe deliveries are largely dependent on the basic health of the woman as well as health during pregnancy. Securing safe motherhood requires securing the health of the woman throughout their life cycle. Ensure access to healthcare facilities that provide life-saving service for pregnancy and delivery complications such as emergency obstetric care and blood transfusion. Ensure skilled attendance during the birth. Availability and service of skilled birth attendants at the time of delivery. The current maternal mortality rate (MMR) of the India is 212 per 1 lakh live birth, whereas the country's Millennium Development Goal (MDG) target is the respective of 109 per 1 lakh live birth by 2015. Every year on 11th April, India observes National Safe Motherhood Day so that citizens, communities, and other stakeholders take a pause and deliberate on the maternal health situation in the country and look at what interventions are working and what more needed to be done. You may wonder why April 11th. Can you guess? It is the birthday of Kasturba Gandhi. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India has instituted National Safe Motherhood Awards for health providers which are awarded annually. It is hoped that these awards help develop greater respect for and appreciation for life-saving care provided by the health providers and its attempt to recognize health workers who dedicate their careers working in most of the times in underserved regions of our country. These awards are given in the following category: ASHA, ANM, LSS, trainer and the trainees, and EMOC, trainer and trainee. The MMR of the three best states of India is Kerala, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. The three worst states of India is Assam, UP or in Uttarakhand and Rajasthan. So India it is 130 the MMR. The India's falling MMR from 2004 to 2016. 14. Thank you for listening. If you have any doubts or comments or suggestions, please let me know.